Amix Blood is the story of a biracial girl with a unique set of problems. She is half elfin and half vampire. When Amix is asked to leave the prestigious Vampire Academy, she enrolls in a boarding school dedicated to assimilating elves into the dominant vampire culture. After attempting a daring midday escape, Amix meets a kindred spirit in Stephen. Stephen is also of a mixed heritage. He is half human and half alien. Together, these two friends resist the terrible elf hunter, Santa Claus, and try to find their way home. Hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO! And today we're going to review Amix Blood. But I promise you, we're not going to read this whole book today. It's way too long. So it's a Christmas story about elves and vampires, and it's called Amix Blood, and this is another Michael Lyons book. So I'm going to get right into it. Amix Blood. We're just going to read the first few pages. Amix Blood by Michael Lyons. All right. Run! Screamed the little elf. He's right behind us. Ho, ho, ho! The fat man bellowed from his flying sleigh. You better watch out! Geldof and Jared looked up to see a team of reindeer descending from the sky and directly towards them. From the attached sleigh, Santa Claus, with one hand holding the reins and the other gripping a large red and white striped hook, shouted, You better not cry! This way! Jared shouted over his shoulder. Hurry! Leaning out over one side of the sleigh, the terrible bearded man growled through clenched teeth. You better not pout! He's gaining on us! Geldof cried, only a second before Santa's hook struck him hard across his spine and pulled him up and into the back of the sleigh. I'm telling you why! Santa roared. Then with a sinister smile and red cheeks, he turned to Geldof and said, Santa Claus is coming to get you! Before the trembling elf could jump out, they quickly rose high into the chilly night sky. Santa shouted to the lead reindeer, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, light up these woods so we can find that other elf tonight. The winter woods lit up with an eerie red glow. He could see Jared running for the train tracks on the far side of the frozen lake. On, Dancer, on, Prancer, on, Donner and Blitzen, he yelled. Let's get that little savage. Swooping in low and fast, Santa Claus once again held out his oversized peppermint stick, hooked Jared around the back of his neck, and pulled him into the sleigh. Ho, 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 he thundered, and flew off into the frozen night. Ho-wah! And that's to page 4. This is going to be a good book. Okay, there you have it. Amix Blood, Part 1. We're going to read a few pages every day until Christmas. Alright, I gotta go. Thank you, miigwech, for watching BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO. I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Minawa. Ho-wah. Alright.